Polar Bear here. I just spent the afternoon in Speedway the day before the race. Had a lot of fun. Went to a couple local shops too. Found some really cool stuff. We went to this soda and candy shop. It don't have as much soda as Rocket Fizz, but it got more candy, so it balances out. We bought this Old Faithful bar. It had marshmallow cream, milk chocolate, and peanut clusters, and we're going to try it right now. Okay, I'm going to put this on pause while we open the package. Okay, now, Old Faithful is made by the Idaho Candy Company in Boise, Idaho. And, okay, so it looks like a bar covered in peanuts, covered in chocolate. So, let's, hurry up! Sorry, Polar Bear. Okay, marshmallow is quite the stretchy, sticky stuff. Okay, there we go. Let me give this a sample. Okay, sorry that took so long, folks. Didn't think I had that big of a bite of it, but it's quite substantial. I kind of like that the marshmallow isn't really fluffy like some marshmallow candies. It actually tastes like real marshmallows. The chocolate is adequate. The peanuts are roasted. It's not a bad candy bar. I would have it again. My turn. Yum 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 yum. Got more. That was delicious. Sorry, Polar Bear. That was it. Buy more next time. Okay, we can do that. Okay, well, the second place we went to was a locally owned antique mall, and I was hoping to find some locks, and did find a display with some locks on it, which we'll pin to the end of this video. And the one I picked up for $25 was this Series 40 American lock, made in the USA. It says RFL on the back. Now, I didn't realize this at the time. I found this out on Reddit on the bus ride home. This one is not guttable. But let me show you the key here. And the way the key was attached, I could see the bitting on it from the key code. So when I got it out of the lock, it wasn't a surprise. Trying to do this one-handed. Not easy. Okay, we got it. But yeah, you can't see it on the camera, but yeah, it looks like there's some sort of a rivet in there. But anyway, this lock, one way or another, will be going into the Lockmania Edict Dobb pass-around box. So have a good day. Bye-bye! Okay, I'm still here in the town of Speedway in this little antique shop. And I was hoping to find some locks, and I did. I've got my eyes on two of them, but I want to look at another one before I decide. But yeah, we may be showing some locks off here in a little bit.